Now we see the exercise 4. So we have to divide these two polynomial. So 4x to the power of 4. Okay, we can see here we don't have x to the power of 3. So we have to put that because it's easier for us later on to solve. Okay, so that means we have to put 0x to the power of 3 minus 3x squared plus x plus 2. Okay, and then we divide by x minus 2. Okay, so we have 4 steps. Okay, remember the first step is here. Okay, 4x to the power of 4 divided by x. Okay, simplify, we can get 4x cubed. So that's mean here 4x cubed. Okay, 4x cubed here times with x minus 2, we can get 4x to the power of 4 minus 8x to the power of 3. Okay, and then we have to minus. So here 0, and then 0x cubed minus negative 8x cubed, we can get 8x cubed, right? And then we put down here negative 3x squared. Okay, and then we repeat the process. 8x cubed here. Okay, ax cubed divided by x. Simplify, we can get 8x squared. So that means plus 8x squared. So 8x squared here times is x minus 2. We can get 8x squared and then minus 16x squared. Okay, and then we have minus. So this one 0. Okay, and then negative 3x squared minus negative 18x squared, we can get 13, right? 13x squared. And then put down here plus x. Okay, repeat again the process. Okay, 13x cubed divided by x. Okay, simplify, we can get 13x. So that means plus 13x. So 13x here times x minus 2, we can get is 13x squared minus 26x, right? Okay, then minus, this one got 0. Okay, and then x minus negative 26x, we can get 27x. Okay, and then plus 2, put down. Okay, and then repeat again the process. 27x divided by x, we can get 27. So that's mean here plus 27. So 27 here times with x minus 2, we can get 27x minus 54. Okay, and then minus here. So 2 minus negative 54. So we can get 56. Okay, so that means our qx is 4x cubed plus 8x squared plus 13x plus 27. Okay, so we will refer this one. And then for Rx, the remainder is 56 here. Let's see the exercise for number 2. So we have to divide this polynomial. So this one, we have to simplify first. So we have to expand. Okay, so we expand, we can get x squared plus x minus 1. Simplify, we can get x squared minus 1. Okay, and then here, for x to the power of 4. Okay, we don't have x to the power of 3. That means we put as a 0 x to the power of 3. And then plus 3x squared. And then plus x plus 2. Okay, after that, divide by. Okay, x squared minus 2. So, x squared. Okay, we don't have x here. So, we plus 0x minus 1. Okay, now we proceed the step to use the long division. Okay, the first one is 4x to the power of 4 divided by x squared. So we simplify, we can get 4x squared. So we put here 4x squared. Then 4x squared here times with this one. We can get 4x to the power of 4 plus 0 x cubed. Okay, and then minus with 4x squared. Okay, and then we are minus here. So this one 0. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. So 3 minus negative 4, we can get 7x squared. Okay, 7x squared, and then we put down plus x. Okay, and then 7x squared divided by x squared. So we simplify, we can get 7 plus. So positive, right? So plus 7. So 7 here times with this one. So we can get 7x squared plus 0x minus 7. Okay, you can see that this one also have constant. So that means here also we have to put down. Okay, it depends on the question, okay, and the situation. So we put down here and then we solve. This one we can 0. X minus 0. Oh, sorry, let's mean 1, right? 1 minus 0 is 1. So that's mean we can get x. 2 minus 97. So that's mean we can get 9. So plus 9. So that's mean our qx here is 4x squared plus 7. And then the remainder is x plus 9. Right? So this how to answer. So remember, if we don't have enough the power here, we have to put plus 0 because it's easier for us to solve long division.